Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's video, I'm going to show you how you can edit notifications panel shortcuts on your Vivo phones. So if you want to add, remove, and rearrange your most used toggles like Wi-Fi, flashlight, screenshot, and more, you can just follow what I do in here. So the control panels is when you scroll like this, so there will be this menu in here, these toggles that you can rearrange. There are record screen, Wi-Fi, mobile data, Bluetooth, flashlight, and other settings. So these are the notifications panel shortcut, this one in here. So if you want, first I'm going to show you how you can add the add icons to this panels right here. So once you slide down this notification panel, you'll see the edit options at the top right here, this pencil icon. Just find the pencil icon on the panel, and you'll go to this edit menu on the panel. So you can just hold and drag to add tiles. So for example, in here I'm going to add the split screen toggles. You can just drag it and put it on top just like this. You can add more than one in here, and I'm going to also add for example let's try this super screenshot, drag and drop just like that. And if you want to remove, you can just do it vice versa. So just drag the items below right here, and it will be deleted from the panel notification panel. And now if you want to rearrange the position, you can just drag the icon just like this and reposition it to how you like it. You can just go drag and drop like previous. And if you're done with all the settings, you can just click on the back button, and the notifications panel will be saved automatically based on the positions or the changes that you made before. So that's pretty much all. I hope this simple Android tutorials will be helpful for you. So if you guys think so, don't forget to like, comment, and also subscribe to our channel. I'll see you all on the next tutorials. Bye!